Morning students, let's start our today's class. Real numbers. Exercise 1.1, fifth question. I am just reading the question. Look into your textbook. Represent 8 by 5. Represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. We have to represent this on number line. It's very simple. Okay, I have marked 0 and after 0 I am writing it as 1 by represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. I am writing this as 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. Next, negative side, that is minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. Just highlight this. This is plus 8 by 5 and this is minus 8 by 5. That's it. Represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. That's it you are going to do. Now let's move to the next question. Sixth one. Express the following rational numbers in decimal form. We are going to express this in decimal form. 242 by 1000. 242 by 1000. Count it now. Denominator में कितने zeros है? 1, 2, 3. So you are going to move your point to this side. That is 1, 2, 3. 0.242. कितने zeros रहेंगे? That much digits you have to count and move. 1, 2, 3. तो 1, 2, 3. तो 0.242. Now next question. Same 354 by 500. See, I will make this easy by multiplying and dividing, by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. When we multiply this, 354 by 2 will be getting 708 by 1000. जब 500 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से विल गेट 1000. यहाँ से आपको करने आता हाउ टू चेंज दिस टू इनटू डेसिमल. कितने जीरोस है? 1, 2, 3. नाउ शिफ्ट 1, 2, 3. 0.708. थर्ड बिट 2 by 5. Same I am going to multiply this with 2 and denominator by 2. That is 4 by 10. कितने में 0 डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है. सो आफ्टर 1 digit you are going to put a decimal, that is 0.4. now last fourth bit, that is 105 by 4. okay, see now I have to change this to 1000. हम जब से क्या कर रहे हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को 100 या 1000 जीरोस के फॉर्म में लेके आ रहे हैं. 100, 1000, 10, एनीथिंग. सो नाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस, to get the denominator 0, I am going to multiply 4 with 25. If I multiply 4 with 25, I will be getting the answer as 100. If I multiply 4 with 25, I will be getting the answer as 100. मैं ये क्या कर रही हूँ, डिनोमिनेटर्स को या 1000, टेंस, 100 या 1000 के फॉर्म में लेकर आ रही हूँ. सो व्हेन आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग डिनोमिनेटर बाई 25, द सेम थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट विथ न्यूमरेटर. न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 115 इंटू 25 इज 2875. अब कितने जीरोज है? नीचे 2 है. सो हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स यू शुड मूव एंड पुट द पॉइंट? 1, 2. दैट इज ये 1, ये 2. यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे हम 28.75. दिस इज द वे टू कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शन इंटू डेसिमल फॉर्म. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन सेकेंड बिट. फर्स्ट बिट में क्या था माँ? वी आर चेंजिंग दी डिनोमिनेटर्स in the form of tens, 100, 1000, whatever it is. अब जब next question है, next bit है, यहाँ पर 2/3 है. Now we can't change this 3 in the form of tens, hundreds or 1000. So here we are going to do the simple division and get the decimal value. In this we are going to do this division, that is 3 when divided by 2. 2 is smaller number. Put a point, take a 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 is left, again 0. 3 6 are 18, again 2 is left, 0. What do you notice? It is non-terminating repeating number, 0.666. Is it clear? One more bit I will be doing, and rest all you are going to next 2 you are going to do it as an homework. Minus 25 by 36. Is it clear? Again 25 is a smaller number and 36 is a bigger number. Put a point, take a 0. Okay, 36 6 is 216. When you subtract this, 10 minus 6 is 4, and here is 4 minus 1 is 3. Take a 0 again. 36 9s are 324. Again when you subtract, 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, so on. So the answer is minus, why we are putting minus in question, minus 25 by 36 is there. So minus 0.69. Next 2 problems you are going to do it as an homework. Each and every problem is there in PDF. If you have any doubt, you can refer the PDF. Next 7th question. When I am reading the question, look into the textbook. Express each of the following decimal in P by Q form. We have to express this decimal into fraction form. कैसा करते हैं माँ? पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? 2. Simply what we are going to do? 36 by 100. After decimal, how many digits are there? That many zeros we are going to put it in the denominator. You can cancel this. Okay. 4 9s are 36. 4 2s are 8. 2 is left. And 4 5s are 20. Answer is 9 by 25. Next, move to the second bit. Same question is second bit, 15.4. So 15.4 can be expressed as 154 by, after point how many digits are there? 1. So I am going to write this as 10. Cancel it and put the answer. The third question, okay fine, I will do it. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. So that is 77 by 5. Third question, 10.25. After point, how many digits are there? 2. So I am going to put first 100 in the denominator. So 1025. 1025. Cancellation. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 0. Again in 5 table it will go. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 and 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. So 41 by 4. Fourth one, 3.25. After point, how many digits? 2. So put directly 100. 3 2 5. Cancel it and put the answer. Now let's move to the next question. 8th question. Express each of the following decimal in the form of P by Q. The first one is 0.5 bar. Bar is on 5. See here the 4 questions are there. 3 I will be doing and I am going to give 1 as homework. See, you have to do the homework because in each bit there are 4 to 5 problems. I can't solve each and every problem. Anyway, it will be there in the PDF. Don't worry. So first one is 0.5 bar. That means 0.5555. It goes on. I am going to take this as equation 1. Since the bar is on 1 digit, एक ही डिजिट के ऊपर है, तो पीरियोडिसिटी इज व्हाट? 1. Periodicity is 1. Bar is on 1 digit, so periodicity is on 1. Periodicity is 1. If bar is on 2 digit, the periodicity will be 2. That means we have to multiply by 10. Multiply equation 1, that is this one, by 10. Why we are multiplying with 10? Because the periodicity is 1. If periodicity is 2, we are going to multiply it with 100. If periodicity is 3, we are going to multiply it with 1000. So, take this as x is equals to, now multiply both the side by 10. X into 10 is 10x is equals to, when I am multiplying 0.555 with 10, ये जो डेसिमल है यहाँ से शिफ्ट होकर यहाँ पर आ जाता है, एक डिजिट, 0 मतलब एक है, तो एक पॉइंट मूव हो जाता, दैट इज 5.555 so on. I am going to take this as equation 2. Now I am going to subtract 2 and 1. Subtract 2 minus 1. Equation 2 is what? 10x is equals to 5.555 so on. Equation 1 is what? X is equals to 0.555 so on. अब सब्ट्रैक्शन करो माँ, 0 0 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5 is equals to 10x minus 1x. यहाँ कुछ नहीं रहा तो मतलब क्या रहता 1. 10x minus 1x is nothing but 9x. So 9x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 by 9. X is equals to 5 by 9. Is it clear? Now we have expressed 0.5 bar in a form of P by Q, that is 5 by 9. Now let's move to the next question. In this bit, 4 questions are there. I said 1 question I am going to give it as an homework. This second question is similar to the first one, that is the periodicity is 1. Yes, 0.36 bar. That means bar is on 2 digits. So 0.363636, ये आपको ऐसा रिपीट होते जाता है, दैट इज x is equals to 0.363636. I am going to take this as equation 1. Now see, the periodicity is what? 2. Bar is on 2 digit, so periodicity is what? 2. So I am going to multiply equation 1 by 100. Why with 100? Periodicity 2 है तो हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर पीरियोडिसिटी 1 रहे तो हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जस्ट नाउ आई सेड मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 विथ 100. क्यों 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करें वो समझने आना माँ. चलिए मल्टीप्लाई करें माँ. 100 इंटू एक्स इज 100x. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें माँ. 100 इंटू एक्स इज 100. व्हेन आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 100, यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट्स है, दैट मीन्स ये पॉइंट 2 डिजिट्स के बाद शिफ्ट होता है, यहाँ से यहाँ पर शिफ्ट होता है माँ, 2 डिजिट्स के बाद होता है. सिंस वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 100, सो दैट इज 36.3636 so on. This is your equation 2. Now 2 minus 1, equation 2, that is 100x is equals to 36.3636 so on. And equation 1 is what? X is equals to 0.3636. Subtract 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 0 is, so 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 as it is. 100 minus 1 is 99. So 99x is equals to 36. X is equals to 36 by 99. Cancel it with 3. We'll be getting 4 by 11. This is all for today's class. We'll be doing the next problem in our next session. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye.